Hi there, my name is Bart from Bartallama3D, and I'm here today to tell you about our radar mounts, now featuring an attachment for both the Radenso Pro M and Radenso DS1 radar units. This radar mount is built on top of our in-house designed radar holder platform, which is made to fit specific vehicles for a perfect fit. This platform here was designed for Tesla vehicles and supports most Tesla vehicles produced after 2021 with the large landscape screen in the vehicle. We are actively working to support more car makes and models with our custom mounting platform. So if your car is not yet supported, please reach out and we can collaborate on creating a platform that fits your vehicle. We also have multiple different radar holders that fit a variety of radar units and are working to expand our selection to support more radar units. Now let's go over the main features of our radar mounts. Our radar mounts hold the radar in place and attach to your center console or screen without obscuring the view from the screen or infotainment system. Mounting tape on the front of the unit is provided to secure the entire mount to the screen to prevent accidental shifting while driving. Integrated cable clips on the back of the unit allow you to run the cables down and away from the screen for a super clean installation. These radar holders come disassembled, but don't worry, assembly only takes about 5 minutes or less. Now let's go over the assembly procedure for our mounts. Found inside of the package are three 3D printed parts. This part right here is the screen base, also sometimes referred to as the platform base. It includes 4 pre-installed threaded heat certs right here at the bottom. This part right here is the screen backer. This part includes the mounting tape you will use to attach to the back of your screen. And this part creates that correct angle for your radar to sit in relation to your screen and vehicle. And also the radar holder. This part is where the radar will sit in and hold it onto the actual platform. Also found inside this package is a QR code. By scanning this QR code, you'll be redirected to our product page along with this instructional video. An alcohol cleaning pad. We will use this during the installation inside of our vehicles. And a set of fasteners, specifically 2 button head screws, 2 flat head screws, 5 washers, and a hex wrench. Now, from the 5 washers, I've pre-installed 4 of them on the screws already, ready for assembly. One of these washers is a spare in case one gets lost during installation or in the future. Now let's go ahead and assemble this bracket. We're going to go ahead and put this radar holder off to the side for now. We're going to assemble the platform. To assemble the platform, we'll want to take that screen backer right here and put it right on top right here. This only attaches in one direction. If you try to attach it in the other direction, it will look crooked and wonky. Using the button head screws specifically here, we will go ahead and pop them right in, screw them in. Now we're using button head screws instead of the flathead screws because the flathead screws will go into that radar holder and they hide within the holes and it prevents your radar from being scratched up from the bottom and provides enough clearance for that radar. This is what a completed base should look like. Notice the screen lip right here along with that 3M tape. Next, moving on to the actual radar holder. We're going to pop the radar holder onto the platform like this. This little protrusion right here needs to be facing forward towards that 3M tape. Now, just double check that you're using those flathead screws here. Pop those flathead screws with attached washer into the holes of this radar holder, and they should pop into those bottom holes from the threaded insert. Using these top 2 holes right here, we can go ahead and screw them into those threaded inserts. Again, with this, we don't want to go way too hard on these. This is plastic, so just finger tight is fine. If you're having issues getting it into there, like me, just jiggling it around will help it fall right into the hole. That concludes the assembly of the actual radar holder. Now, we'll take our radar. The radar itself has this little hole at the top for this to fit in like that. And this is how you install the radar. You're now ready to take this entire unit and install it inside of your vehicle. Now let's go over in-vehicle installation. For this demo, we will be using a Valentine 1 radar unit on our Tesla platform to show how to install the mount and radar in your vehicle. After cleaning the back of your screen with the included alcohol pad, remove the plastic covering on the mounting tape. Align the radar bracket's leftmost side with the on-screen display to center the unit. Hinge the unit onto the screen, pressing down to activate the tape. Plug in the radar's power unit to complete the installation. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and found our radar mounting bracket a worthwhile investment for your radar. If you want to learn more about this product and our other products, check us out online at https://bartallama3d.design. There you can find information on where to buy this radar mount, supported radars and vehicles, and our other 3D printed products. We are always working on new and innovative products, so make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for choosing Bartallama3D, and we hope to hear from you soon.